Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the Pi symbol on your Google Slide mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to insert a Pi symbol on your Google Slide mobile, I just going to show in this video. So I just opening the slide and I just going to edit it, and here I just going to insert the pi symbol. So actually you can't insert the pi symbol using the insert symbol option because there is no insert symbol option present in the Google Slide mobile. Instead of that, you can use your keyboard as an alternative. Here I just using Google keyboard. If you having your keyboard, you can just use it too. And here double tap here and just use your keyboard, click on this number section, and then you just need to click again on the symbol section like this here. Then you can find a symbol called pi here, and if you long press it, you can find a different type of pi here. So this is how you just insert the pi symbol on your Google Slide mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.